That looks so cool. The mighty dinosaur. What do you think, dude?
It's awesome.
Is that awesome?
We should add a little bit.
And today, Colty and I are going to be showing you this remote-controlled dinosaur. That's right. This is a super cool dinosaur that you can drive around and scare your pets with, right?
Yeah, I'm going to give them a close look up.
Okay, let them see what it looks like. What's your favorite part?
How it has the control.
Show them the controller.
How it has the control, and wherever you, and any kind of button you press, so if you press like that button, this hand button or the foot button, it might move. Like,
Yeah, that's how you control it. So with the controller, you have up, forward, and reverse. You have left and right over here. And then you have a demo button. And then you have the roar button. So you ready to show it to everyone?
Yes, I think I turned it on.
Okay. So on top of the dinosaur, you do also get the instruction manual and the charger because the dinosaur is rechargeable, but you will have to put batteries inside the remote control. Are you ready to check it out? Well, you got to turn it on. Oh, what's the button on the back do? It's got a button up here. Whoa, it makes it run. That's a demo button. So hit this button. There we go. So you can also use this as the demo button as well, and it will do its own little scripted thing. And another really cool feature about this little dinosaur right here is if you look at the top of his head, you can pull off that scale and you can fill it up with water. Whoop, a little too much. You put the scale back in. And now we're going to turn it on. Whoa! Is that cool?
It's like water.
Yeah. Push the growl button. This one right there. Whoa! So by pushing the growl button, you activate the smoke and steamy breath of the mighty dinosaur.
Also, how do you...
So I'm going to bring the camera down, and Colty's going to control it, and we're going to show you exactly what it does. All right, Colty, how's it work? Whoa! So cool. Can you go backwards? Oh, nice. Oh, you put it in demo mode. He's going crazy, dinosaur. Oh, we'll pick him up. So it is a walking toy. It's really cool that you can make it roar. It's got the bright LED in the front. You can steer him, you can drive him around. He'll do demonstrations for you. And overall, it's a really cool little dinosaur toy. Go forward. Oh, look out, he's gonna get you. So Colty, what do you think?
10 out of 10.
Oh, Colty likes it. We hope this video helps and we hope you enjoy your dinosaur toy.